I mean, people don't know, see your favorite Jamaican YouTuber, right? I know we're back in Jamaica. Yo, you don't know, say, right? I know. Where they are, you. Look at it right now, we're still there in February, you know, so Valentine's Day was some weeks ago. But we want to get some drama, we want to get some sus, we want to get some mix up. So I'm going to ask some people, what has a Jamaican man or woman ever done to you? Make us see what type of drama is going on in the love lives of these Jamaicans. Ready?
Oh, you mean you don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean you don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean you don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean you don't tell a friend them about Yaadman Etan?
Our brother, what's your name?
BG so cool.
BG so cool. That sounds like an insight on social media name, you know.
Yeah man, YouTube, Jamaican YouTuber. Yeah man, subscribe, I know the thing.
Jada.
Jada.
Jillian.
Kisra.
Lindsay. Rhino, you know.
SWAT.
SWAT. So friend, what's your name?
Pistol.
What is it?
Pistol.
Pistol. Like pie. Yeah. Alright.
Tishel.
Tishel.
Cheval.
Cheval. And you see, upper foreign, we have this negative connotation associated with Jamaicans. Not for the woman, them are foreign afraid of Jamaican man. Them say Jamaican man have a certain type of reputation. One time, one girl look at me and tell me, say, all Jamaican man good for a good body and for left them when them pregnant. Is it? What is it, Max?
Play it out now, man. But do you think?
Alright. Someone know something. Do you agree with this?
Yes, I strongly agree.
Strongly agree.
Yes.
Well, me no want bash or throw no word, but I true.
Tell me something dirty. What Jamaican girl over there yet?
Jano, that's a hard one, you know.
Why?
You know what I'm saying?
I had an ex, right? I had a girlfriend at the time. When she became my ex, you know, I actually found out that she was cheating with another guy. Not that I was that faithful still, but...
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Not that I was that faithful still, but...
But still hot. I mean, it hurt a different way, you see me? At least that's how we guys tend to think, you see?
Yeah. What do you do with your man on Valentine's Day?
What man?
Me not a man.
No, man. Man, alright. So that would insinuate, say, you're single. Right? Alright, so talk to me, Miss Single Jada. What Jamaican man ever do you?
Nothing at all.
Really?
No.
Okay, no, so I just come from foreign and everybody up foreign afraid of Jamaican man. So me just always I wonder, so I have to come to the source and ask the Jamaican ladies and you say nothing.
I mean, them overall, their body in the boat, I don't go near them to be exposed to anything.
Wait. But what do you mean by overall them bad? Me not understand.
They're not right.
They're not right?
They don't think right.
So them left?
Right.
So may I try understand? Yeah, say them not right, so that means that them left you. So may I try understand?
No, nobody not left me. Just that I don't try and go to anybody and show any interest. So they don't do me anything. You understand?
So do you think that the reputation that Jamaican men have is
bad?
Yeah.
Yes, very bad. They must stop give bun.
All right, ladies and gents.
Alright, so I have this boyfriend, right?
Yeah.
Like
current?
No, ex. 2 years, and we go strong.
Yeah.
And then me move, but we still there. And then, like 6 months after, my find out say him have one girl 7 months pregnant.
What you mean?
I swear.
Wait, hold on. Am I doing the maths right?
Yeah, true. Yeah.
So. Okay. What has a Jamaican man ever done to you?
Alright. In a case like I have a sister Zane, so it's like they talk to both me and my sister. What is that? Not drunk with that?
Boy.
Tell me now.
So when you say talk, what level of talk we are talking about? Is that thing where you and your sister have to find out say things that I go on same time?
Yeah, I found out. You understand?
So was it just on a talking level or was it beyond like a talking?
Beyond.
Alright.
Yeah.
I see. So like you and your sister are good or?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay, so it's not a situation where your sister did fall out.
No.
Okay. Alright, so you need to take out the aggression on the right somebody.
On the right
and the family
first.
stay strong and
Strong, yes.
and so you wouldn't share a man again.
No, different type. We don't have the same type.
Alright, cool. Thank you very much. Wait, you say you don't have the same
We
type?
don't have the same
So
type
how
in
did
nigga.
that happen?
I don't know.
You feel say Jamaican man deserve the type of bad reputation we have?
Honestly, I don't think so, you know. No, for we are good youth out there, you know. We know much of them girl that break man heart youth.
Yeah.
You should even know youth. You know, so I cry already because of that. Me talk too much, you know. Alright, go on.
Alright. So talk to me. What Jamaican woman ever do? Come here, hear you talk about heartbreak and them something. Them want to know.
Chano star. Enough things Jamaican want to do to me still, you see me. But, me not lie. You see, in a fifth form, me dey have this. No man, I never man in one. Big up all the 4 high school them I'm go. You see me? Yeah, so, me in a fifth form and I love this girl. Nice browning, very shapely. You know, petite. Oh my God. First time I got movies, this girl take me to movies, she and her mother.
Yeah.
See me, cater for me and thing, and me just passionate love, everything did for her, see me, and I got 6th form. My girl, she moved going to 5th form, she was in 4th form, and me in a 6th form, and we not at the same school anymore, you see me? My girl, call off my phone. What me hear say I go on. I said, me didn't know what you talk about. Me being a faithful boyfriend and all, you know. See me? One day me in a Etan, you know, man. Me not call the name of Etan, and me see one little flex on me and say, how I go on this? My best friend at the time, you see me? Boss in a plain clothes, no school uniform. And me see a uniform when my girlfriend go to school. I walk past her, me look good. And my girlfriend that me see the brother walk, you know. My best friend, you know. Yo, that me can't. No, dog, but for real though still, and me make it go on. Me say, yo, me never see this. Me reach you, me couldn't stop think about it. Me call my best friend and me say, yo, dog, I walk go on, my friend. Everything good. And me see how I walk with today. And see me boss say, boy, you know what say? Things and times and distance and yo, me hurt, you know, dog. Brother, the man a choppy girl, I know, you know, dog. Brother, me didn't even chop it, you know. Brother. I was a fraud from me, you know. Yo, cut off the camera, brother.
What Jamaican man ever do?
Well, you know, me no want to show no shade of nobody, you know. But Jamaican man just don't know what they want. You understand? 1 minute them just come and them say, you know, this, that, and then boom, one little friend come. You know, later, I not bother want this, but yet still yesterday, I say you want this, you want to get married and all of that. Brother, excuse me, Tommy. Jamaican man have nothing to say to me right now.
You want a hug?
You know, I'm going to take it. I'm going to take the hug.
Thank you, my friend. No Jamaican woman never there yet.
John was still, you know. John was still, me not lie. Me have a 1B. Me have a 1B of my love still, you see me? From the school, you know. Nice little girl, you know. Cute and something. Big up man in school said you still, you see me? And I kind of notice every time I car go put her up on taxi, I consistently I see the same taxi. It just happen for you always be same taxi, you know? Same nigga, you know? Yeah. Till me I notice him I look for me, I wear like him, I say, somebody I can my woman come put my woman on taxi. So me I say, so me I say, watch this look right. So me draw down pan around question around me find out she go tell me say, John, no, I wonder if we could have be friends cause John know that nigga have pay me more attention. You see me I say so. So that's also one of them things there. A long time that still.
What has a Jamaican woman ever do to you?
Good or bad?
Both, why not?
I mean, nothing of no, but me know them capable of.
What them capable of?
Things that you don't know about.
They know, so them never really, if them doing something more, I know about it still, so. I kinda, you see me, I say, cause the way they, I say, just like, them keep anything, so I know, say, they not doing nothing, I just don't know about it.
Oh, it's a hide and seek where you never find them yet.
You get me? Alright. Alright. So like, you know what I'm talking about.
So the last question, do you think that, you know, Jamaican men are deserving of the type of reputation that we have?
Yeah, we are drunk for real. We're kind of terrible sometimes.
Sometime.
Around one, the balance out.
Jamaican man at the minute, and I have great friends who are Jamaicans.
Really?
Yes.
So do you think, you know, the reputation that Jamaican men have is warranted?
Well, yes, because you can't just sum up everything for everyone.
Okay.
Remember, say, if one man burn you, you're going to start thinking, say, all right, this man are going to do the same thing.
Okay.
However, you can't just basically place the blame on all man, because you have some good man out there, you have some bad man out there.
Yeah.
So, that's life.
So about the reputation with Jamaican women have, you feel like, you know, them, watch it. Alright, so were you ever the Jamaican man then?
I have done nothing to
What about your friend them?
I can't comment on all of my friends.
So yes, people, I hate that. So we got many answers from some ladies, from some gents, and boy, some of us are still scarred by our Jamaican reputation. But people, comment down below if you think that Jamaicans are deserving of this reputation that we have. Are we really jankros? As a matter of fact, let me think. What is the worst thing a Jamaican woman has ever done to... Well, there was that time in high school where I did with a girl, and when I... You know, in a high school, you're curious how much experience we have. So, you know, she asked me, how many girls have I ever been with? I said, 1. And I asked her how many guys has she ever been with? And she said, 3. But, you know, at that time, in a high school, you know, you're well giddy and things. So I said, you know what, I don't care. So I end up with the girl now throughout the course of the relationship. Keep in mind, she said she was with 3 guys before me. But in the course of the relationship, I realized that it moved from 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 to 7. So it's either 1 or 2 things going on. It's either a bun she there give me a bun, or she lie about the Carfax. So people comment down below and tell me how you feel about that story there. People, listen, I honestly feel that there are many good men and good women out there, alright? We just need to stop playing games with one another, alright? And just talk the truth and tell the people them what we really want out of life, and out of relationships, and out of situationships, and all them things there. Alright people, big up on yourself. Later.